Edward Dangleford. Now let's get right to the game and meet our contestants. She's a 38-year-old single lady who owns her own business and knits dog tongues on the side. Here's Lillian Minklemore. And our second contestant, he is a 42-year-old carpenter from No Name, Missouri. Everybody welcome Bruce Ramble. And last but certainly not least, he lives under my porch and I think he's around 400 years old. Everybody, let's hear it for Schlickney. Okay, let's get this game started. Here comes our first sound.
It's a chainsaw rubbing.
You are correct, Lillian. However, this show isn't called What's That Noise? It's called Who's Making That Noise? So, you look like a fool on network television. Way to go, stupid.
I think I know.
And do I care right now? No. Maybe if you ring your podium bell and try not to be as stupid as Lillian, then I'll care. Bruce, give it a shot.
Is it a man or woman fighting to survive?
Wrong, 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 wrong. Bruce, you are wrong. Let's see if Schlickney can get it. Go ahead, Schlickney. Okay, Schlickney, you just chew on that buzzer. Judges, could we just ignore buzzer number 3, please? So far, nobody has any points. These guys all suck.
Hey, I don't appreciate your attitude, okay?
Well, I don't really care. I don't really care. I don't really care. We're going to continue.
Wait, what was the last answer?
I'm sorry. Did anybody out there hear anything? I said, we're going to continue. Let's get the next sound. It seems like Schlickney might know the answer. Schlickney! That's wrong, you freak of nature.
I don't think he likes the sound at all.
Oh, and suddenly you speak under porch dweller?
No, I was just saying, you want to start something with the carpenter?